Good morning to all of you students. I I think all of you good with your family. All of you know about that the situations. Our school will be closed due to the lockdown. That's why our school and institution provide you some learning process through the video, through the audio, some syllabus through materials. That's why today's I will be start class 8, 6, 7, class 7, the first chapter with your mathematics. Now, in a class 7, the first chapter in your maths, integers. In previous class, you don't know about but little bit understand what is integers, but in this class you fully learn what is integers, what type of integers, and how to integers add, subtract, multiplication, divisions, and other things. Okay, let's now start. Integers divide into the two parts. First, positive integers. Second, negative integers. Integers means counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this number, positive and negative, both are expressed is called integers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the positive integer. -1, -2, -3, -4, that is to the negative integers. And now carry forward this situation and how to represent integers on number line. And 0 is not positive and not negative. That is clear. 0 is not positive and not negative integers. And now represent on number line. First of all, put 0 in the center. In 0 right side, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and left side -1, -2, -3, and -4. On the number line, this line of representation of our integers. Right side, this will be the positive and this will be the negative. Okay, and this is the representation. If your question is represent -2 on the number line, first draw on the number line, represent -2 is the number line, and 3 is on the number line, this is the 3 on the number line. तो इंटीजर्स को हम लोग नंबर लाइन पे इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. इंटीजर्स हमारे दो तरह के होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव, दूसरा निगेटिव होता है. 0 कोई भी हमारा इंटीजर नहीं हुआ, ना हम लोग उसको पॉजिटिव में काउंट करते हैं, ना हम लोग उसको निगेटिव में काउंट करते हैं. ओके, ना उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट इंटीजर्स go to express in the form of addition, how to add to the integers. If two integers, first plus, add with the plus, result will be the plus. This is the learning process if the two digit, I will see with the examples. First you write down minus plus minus is equal to minus, and plus add with minus is equal to depend on numerical value. First, if two numbers 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, अगर दो नंबर आपका पॉजिटिव है, दोनों को इजीली हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आएगा. नेक्स्ट, टू नंबर negative, both number in the negative form, then the addition will be the -4. Let's see here, दो नंबर अगर नेगेटिव में है तो उसका रिजल्ट भी क्या होगा, नेगेटिव में होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट, सी द एग्जांपल्स. एंड नाउ 4 minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 2. How it is? Then see here, 4, this is the plus sign here. If any number does not represent with the plus, then you clearly say that this number always be with the positive sign. अगर किसी नंबर के साथ अगर कोई भी साइन रिप्रेजेंट नहीं किया हुआ है तो हम लोग उसको पॉजिटिव कंसीडर करेंगे. ओके, एंड नाउ आई ऑलरेडी सेड डिपेंड द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. साइन विल बी द गिवन depend on the numerical value. First, this is the negative sign, this is the positive sign. 4 minus 2 is that 4. How it is the sign represent? Plus 4 means 4 is the greater than 2. That's why with the plus here 4 is represent. Then your answer also with the plus 2. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर जिस न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू के साथ जो साइन होता है उसी साइन को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं रिजल्ट में. अगर मान लीजिए इसके जगह पर 8 plus 2 होता तो हम क्या करते? तो हमने हमको क्या करना है, नॉर्मली 8 minus 2 नॉर्मली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 6, एंड द ग्रेटर वैल्यू विद द साइन इज 8, then represent here the negative value. This is the answer. This is the addition process of the integers. Okay, now again the subtraction of our integers. Subtractions means 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, and now minus 4 is equal to -8. Already see, so this is the subtraction of our integers. And now see the negative multiplication of our integers, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. If you multiply, see here, plus multiply with plus, then result will be the plus. If you multiply negative with negative, the result will be the plus. And if you multiply negative with plus, then result will be the negative. See, observe here, the same sign multiplied with the same sign, then its result will be the same positive, and the different sign multiply with, then result will be the negative. अगर हमारा दोनों साइड में साइन अगर एक समान होगा, एक तरह का होगा, तो उसका रिजल्ट हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा. अगर कोई भी डिजिट्स, कोई भी नंबर अगर बोथ साइड हमारा एक नेगेटिव और दूसरा पॉजिटिव होगा तो उसका रिजल्ट हमारा नेगेटिव में होगा. सी हियर, a 4 minus 4 into 4, it means 60. इट मींस क्या, यहाँ पे भी प्लस है और यहाँ भी प्लस है, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किए तो प्लस 16 आया. ओके, एंड नाउ plus minus 4 into 4 is equal to, here plus sign, here is the negative sign, then result will be the negative. First you write negative, then multiply 60. Once again, if 2 multiply with minus 2, it is the answer will be the plus 4. Because if you two digits in the negative form, then result will be the in positive. That is the multiplication of our integers. And now division, if you divide minus 4 by 2 means minus 2. If divide minus 4 minus 2, minus minus cancel, 2 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, then result will be the positive. If you divide plus with the minus, then result will be the negative. If you divide negative to negative, then result will be the positive. If you multiply positive to the positive, then result also be the positive. That is the multiplication and division of our integers. Now absolute value, how to find absolute value of our integers? Absolute value, always be operated with our negative. First, this is the sign of our absolute value. If what is the absolute value of 2, that is the answer will be the 2. If absolute value of minus 3, the result will be the 3. The negative sign in the absolute value change into the positive sign. And some topics, the comparing of the integers. The comparing of integers means which number is the greater and which number is the smaller. And now ascending and descending, which number ascending order is the smaller to the greater is called ascending order, and greater to, if you go greater to the smaller, then it is the descending order. That is the important topics are related to our integers. Then next video I will be show some questions and arise some, give you the PDF, then you solve the problem. Thank you.